Today I'm going to show you how to clean a banana leaf. Maybe you're asking yourself, why? Well, because you need to know how to clean a banana leaf. That's why. Jeez. Banana leaf cleaning 101. Get your banana leaves, stretch them out. You want them fully defrosted if you're buying them frozen. Stretch them out, and you're just going to wipe with warm water on a paper towel or a clean kitchen cloth, whichever one you want to use. Just get them wiped down. Go with the veins. These, as you can tell, the spine has already been split. So you want to be extra careful because this is about 2 feet long, and this is going to serve our purpose perfectly right here at this length. So I actually had cut this one in half. It was twice this size. So that will keep, or that will serve our purpose perfectly. But after you wipe them down, you can see they're kind of dirty. So just give them a good wipe with clean paper towel, warm water, completely defrosted, and then come back with a dry paper towel and dry it off. Do that to both sides, every leaf. You can fold them back up once you have them all cleaned off, put them back in your package and save them for another 24 hours because I will be using these tomorrow. You also want to make sure, more than likely, if you're buying California, a lot of places, they're going to be frozen. So you want to set them out on the countertop, leave them in the package, allow them to completely defrost before you even try pulling them apart. That's how you clean a banana leaf.